Alright, we are at the Quality Inn and Suites in McDonough, Georgia. This used to be an old Holiday Inn, and we are going to do a hotel room tour. Down there is the swimming pool. As you can see, we have exterior corridors here. And there is the steps to go down to the first floor. My room is 221. And if you look down there, you can see my Cadillac right there. Well, anyway, here's the room. This room has been lived in by two people. RFID keys, watch this. Just touch that and open the door, and here is the room. As you know, exterior corridors, so we'll shut the door and take a look around. You have a wingback chair there, table, and a computerized Amana climate control, which does a pretty good job. Over here, you can see me in the mirror, you have a desk where you can use a laptop computer. And yes, I am here for locomotive engineer training with Norfolk Southern. This room, I believe, is a 2 double bed room. Have an LG flat screen TV. I'll show it really quick. There you go. Works. Let's cut it off. Oh. Don't want copyright material. And there, you got a chest with a few drawers in here. I guess they have a laundry service here. To the left of the chest of drawers, you have a microwave and a refrigerator with a little freezer compartment, which is where I have Hot Pockets. There's a stand for your bag, and at one point this had adjoining rooms. And now we will take a look at the beds. That's my roommate's bed, I'm not going to touch that. But the beds are actually, believe it or not, quite comfortable. I'm not quite sure if this is a pillow top mattress, but I do like the fact they don't use the actual bedspreads. It's more of like a duvet, and I assume these get changed every day. Here's your hotel telephone with an alarm clock. And in here we have the good book placed by the Gideons. I do like the way they have this little USB dock here and plug for a cell phone charger by the lamp. And room's pretty big. We'll look at it from back here now. Room's pretty big. Your typical old Holiday Inn room. Like I said, this used to be an original Holiday Inn, but most Holiday Inns have gone to interior corridor now. So now we'll look at the grooming and bathroom area. Open closet. Got your iron and ironing board right there. Wall-to-wall carpet, really clean. There's the trash can. You got a big mirror with a light shining on you, so shaving will be a breeze here. They give you lotion, conditioner, shampoo, and soap. You got your sink here and a coffee maker. This bathroom is your typical older Holiday Inn style bathroom. It's not big by any means, but it's not teeny weeny. You got a older Kohler toilet right here. And for all the toilet people to watch these videos, there you go. Decent flush. You got a bathtub with a shower, and they do have the new arched shower curtain. That exhaust fan is not very effective. This bathroom does fog up really bad. This stall has obviously been redone. These are obviously the original controls from the 70s or whenever this was built. It's got a good shower, but the temperature control on it is very finicky. You really have to work with those knobs to get the right temperature. So yeah, overall, for an older hotel, I mean, you can tell, like I said, Holiday Inn had a very high standard back in the day, and I mean, this is a nice room. It's, like I said, the hotel is dated, but all the amenities here are pretty modern. So if you're ever in McDonough, Georgia, you're looking for a good place to stay, this place is by no means bad. They do a great job keeping the room clean, and like I said, I just sat down on that bed, that's why it's wrinkled. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look at this hotel room in McDonough, Georgia, the Quality Inn, which used to be a Holiday Inn. So this is Andrew saying DieselDucy out. Bye, y'all. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye, y'all.